Oh yeah, baby. It's white. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. So today what we're doing, we are replacing the Q50 sign. I don't know if you guys can see it. We're gonna put forged carbon fiber with light in it today. So we're gonna start the process right now. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. Oh, I forgot, this is a 23 Q50. All right, the first thing we're gonna do, we got to take this cover shroud off. So we're just gonna take it out. It's a bunch of clips. All right guys, so you see the emblem, this is it here. You see there's two clips, one on the right and one on the further left where the little screw is. So this is what we got to push out so we can take out the emblem. So it should be fairly easy. As I can see, I see the two clips. If I can push it out with my hand, so it should be fairly easy. So let me do that right now guys. Okay guys, so I put my hand in the back, so I push the clip this way for this one, and I should be able to push it out at the same time. I think yours has a screw too. So guys, it looked like this one also has two screws holding it. So I'm gonna take the two screws. Let's see if that's why it's not coming out. You just need a small screwdriver. I'll show you basically. So I got one out, see, one of these. There's another one, you need something small like that. All right guys, I got one screw and I dropped the other one out, but either or, I don't think we're gonna need it. So now let's try again to take out the sign. So we gotta push out. There you go. See, it's a lot easier now. There you go guys, see, a lot easier now. So let me show you. See in the back, that's why a lot of videos don't talk about this. One screw here, one screw there. That's why this wasn't coming out, so I dropped it in there. So basically the sign is out guys, and we're gonna get the other sign. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to drill a hole right in here, but let's get the other side and I'll show you what it looks like. Right guys, so this is the new beauty. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see here the forged carbon fiber look. Really nice, right? And then you got the light all around it, and here's the cable guys, right? So I'm gonna use the same screw that I use in the OEM and the same clip as well. So basically this is it guys. So let's go and try to find, basically let's go and try to install this. I'm gonna figure out the right hole I need to drill behind here, behind the bumper, so we can put it on. So let's go. All right guys, so I'm taking out the wire. There's two wire. Basically we have ground and red. Very simple. All right guys, so now I'm gonna place it to see where I need to make a hole. Okay, I have an idea. All right guys, I think I need to make a hole right here. Hold on to that. Oh, what we're gonna use, this is 1364. So got my drill, just put that on. Right, so this is plastic, and we're gonna make the hole right in the middle here guys. Just start it slowly. There's already a little marker, so I'm using that little marker to make the hole. Wow. All right, let's give it a try. See if my cable goes through it. Yep, perfect size guys. Can you grab it? Okay. All right guys, you guys ready? We have to pop it on. All right guys, ready? There you go. It's on guys, it's on. It elevates the look of the car. Love it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put the two little screws that we took out. So guys, we don't have the airbags here anymore, so I see the connector, which is the light connector. I'm almost positive it's this guy here. Let me try to figure out how to take it out. So guys, you see that cable right here? Hold on. See where my flashlight is? That cable right here, that's what I'm trying to disconnect. Oh, I think it's on the bottom. Okay, I can see it.
Is it this little thing right there?
Yeah, that. Oh, okay, I got it, guys. I got it. You need a small flat screwdriver to, it's really hard, guys. Let me see if I can get a picture. Okay guys, this is the OEM connector, and based on my research, I'm pretty sure we gotta tap into this guy right here. The spec is the daytime running light. I'm gonna double check it before I even splice into it. So we're gonna use it to get power. We're gonna use this spot right here as the ground. The positive is gonna go right down here. Okay, so I'm gonna double check that this has power when we turn on the headlight. Let me take out the tape. All right guys, so I'm just going to cut the tape. Just be very careful, just to free up the tape. So now I'm pretty sure it's this guy here. So before I do anything, I'm going to turn on the light, make sure I get power here, and turn it off, make sure power goes out, and then we can proceed with the installation. Okay guys, we're gonna give that a try. All right, go ahead. On. Perfect guys, you see? Off, on. Okay, perfect guys. So we have good connection from this, which is this pink wire right here. So we're gonna just do a little T-tap into this guy and to get power. All right guys, so I grabbed my long zip tie that I have, that I use all the time for running wires. So we're gonna attach it. I found a little hole, I'll show you in a little bit. So we're gonna attach my cable to the zip tie, and then we're gonna fish it to go to the other side, and then we'll zip tie everything after it's done. There's a hole like that goes kind of like this way, so I'm gonna try to fish my zip tie this way. Touching it. Okay, got it. All right guys, see, so you fish it on the top, and then you can pull it this way. There's plenty of room. Okay, that's good enough. All right guys, now we can take the tape out. I got this case that I bought on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description down below. We're gonna use, I think, one of these bigger eyelid. Make sure. All right, so guys, this, there you go. We're gonna use that fits over here. This is from the OEM box. We're just gonna use it for ground point. So all I'm going to do, gonna splice this a little bit, and then we're gonna cramp it in here. Oh. All right, we're gonna use blue for ground. Okay, that's good. I'm just gonna put a little bit of more tape on here, guys. Just probably not needed. That's just me to go a little overboard. Okay, let me see if this is long enough. Just gonna go like this. Yeah, this is long enough, guys. So what I'm going to do, can you see me? The plan is to put this guy inside here, and then we're gonna put the red one over here. I don't want to be too close to it, kind of like in here. And then we cramp it. So we're gonna, yeah, anyway, just if you can clip it.
The easiest part.
Yep, now we got it. All right guys, I think we got it cramped in. We're gonna try We're gonna try this bad boy out. All right guys, we don't need it to be tight, super tight, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna see if it works. Oh yeah, baby. It's white. All right guys, so this one is a white one. You'll see better when you look at night, guys. So it's on. I'll show you when it looks at night. So it's pretty much done, guys. So basically that's what we were struggling with. You see where that little connector is? It was hard to get it in, but we finally got it in. We clipped it in. I'm gonna clip this guy in right in here right now. This is where we got the ground from the old OEM glove box. So that's it, guys. Pretty much we're done. I'm gonna zip tie this guy here and I'll show you one more look. Okay. Okay guys, see, I zip tie my cable through with the, you know, the horn connector. It goes underneath here, it goes through here, come back this way. I zip tied it over here. This is my ground point, this is my connector right here. It's already connected. My lights are good. I will show you what it looks like again at night, but guys, this part is all done. All right guys, she's all done. I'll show you what it looks like at night. All right guys, I wanted to show you what the light look like at night. It's an area that's fairly lit. There you go. See what it looks like? I think it looks very sexy, guys. And hopefully very soon we might change those turn signal. We don't know yet, but we're thinking about it. But anyway guys, that's it, right? This is really sexy. I think I like it. All right guys, that's all she wrote. This little mod is all done, super simple. Well, it took me a long time to get the thing to clip into both the OEM wire and then the other wire, so I can get a good connection. But I got it done. It's not a hard install. It just took harder to get it. I didn't want to have to take the wheel well off or take the tire off. That probably would have been the easier way. But anyway, I got it done. Like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Until the next time, peace.